want to talk about this drawing that I did here. I just finished coloring it today. Looks sort of like a stylized dinosaur, phoenix, bird type thing. I didn't plan it out. I didn't plan the colors out. I just started drawing, and I guess you get in the zone, and this is what resulted from that. I think it came out pretty cool. I will include just the pencil drawing in the video, in this video as well, so you can see what it looks like without the color. And I used colored pencils because I kind of wanted a different textured look, and I didn't want to have to go over it with a black Sharpie and mess up my lines, because as careful as I am, they still get messed up. It's kind of hard to control Sharpie 100%, but I used here Crayola colored pencils. So started out with the body. I think it was cerulean blue it was called, and I used gold around the eye and lime green for the accents, and black, obviously you can see that, for the lower body. And then the wings, that's yellow, orange, and orchid, which is that purple, and gold, and that cerulean blue again on those accents. And you have red in there, I have regular blue, I have magenta, I have some sort of goldish color there on the tilt thing. I have pine green, navy blue, golden yellow there on the wings. So, and then before I colored it, I did go over it again and darken the pencil lines just because I wanted them to stand out. And then the signature there is just pine green and magenta to tie in with the colors on the tail down there. As I said, I think it came out cool. Just an improvised thing. I'll probably do more of these types of drawings just because they're fun and it kills time. Check out my other videos. I have painting videos, piano videos, and stuff like that. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.